Extra fees, less free time, more stress? Sounds awful, right? All of these are the unfortunate results of missed payments. Well, what if I told you there's a simple way to avoid all the hassle? Welcome back to Finance Sampling, where we make personal finance easy and, dare I say, a bit lazy. Let's face it, keeping track of multiple bills every month can be a real chore. But what if you could be lazy and be good with money? Today, we're diving into the world of autopay and how it can simplify your financial life. Surprisingly, a significant number of people still don't use autopay for their bills, or at least not all of their bills. Why not? Maybe it's the fear of losing control or concerns about overdrafts. But stick with me, I promise the benefits far outweigh the risks. Now, you might be thinking, is autopay the same or similar to auto investing? It's a great question. While both automate your finances, autopay handles your outgoing bills. Auto investing focuses on growing your wealth by automatically investing a portion of your earnings. Both are essential tools, but today we're focusing on autopay. Personally, I don't have the time or frankly the desire to keep track of every bill due date. With autopay, I sit down at the end of the month, review everything in one go, and spend the rest of my time doing whatever I love. First and foremost, autopay ensures you never miss a payment, saving you from late fees and credit card dings. Did you know some companies like Verizon offer discounts if you enroll in autopay? It's a win-win. You can set it and forget it. Autopay gives you the peace of mind that your bills are taken care of. Less time managing bills means more time for hobbies, family, or just plain relaxation. Of course, no system is perfect. Here are some things to keep an eye on. It's easy to forget to check your statements when everything's automatic. Make sure to review them monthly to catch any errors or unexpected charges. Mistakes can happen. A double charge or payment could throw off your entire budget if you're not vigilant. Rarely, autopay systems can fail due to technical glitches. Keeping an eye on your account helps ensure you catch this early. And just a reminder, if you switch banks, you'll need to update your autopay information to each biller, which can be time consuming. Setting up autopay varies depending on the service provider, but generally you have two options. Linking a credit card can earn you rewards points or cash back, but be cautious of your credit limit and make sure to pay off your credit card monthly, or link to a bank account. This avoids potential credit card interest, but be mindful of your account balance to avoid overdraft fees. Just a note, savings and high yield savings accounts do have limits on withdrawals, generally up to 6 times per month. Be aware of this if you're considering using them for autopay. Integrating autopay into your financial routine is more than just a convenience. It's a foundational building block for a secure financial future. By automating your bills, you reduce the risk of late fees, save time, and can focus on your bigger financial goals like saving and investing. So yes, you can still be lazy and be great with money. Autopay simplifies your life, saves you money, and frees up time for what truly matters to you. If you haven't set it up yet, consider doing it today. Thanks for joining me on Finance Sampling. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making your financial life easier. See you next time.